Well, it's homework assignment number 4 about functions. I have a task. All men are mortal, Socrates is a man, therefore Socrates is mortal. I made all of this before and now I just want to comment it. Well, the task for this part is to make a function that checks if Socrates is mortal first if the name of a parameter is Socrates or something else, and it checks the data type to be string. Well, I made a function check name with a parameter name. Well, here in this parameter further will be displayed some name, and there are three conditions. First, if of course name is equal to Socrates, return true. After this I made a condition that checks for data type, else if type of entered name isn't string, well, return data type isn't string. And after this, if it's string and if the name isn't equal to Socrates, it return false. And let's check it. Console log check name. I enter here name Alex. Run. False. Of course false because it isn't Socrates. For example, I enter here Socrates. True. It's okay. For example, I enter here a number 5. It has to display data type isn't a string. Data type isn't a string. If I enter nothing, well, it's undefined. It will display data type isn't string, of course, because it's undefined. Well, it's clear here. It's okay. In this way, I can enter in the parameter every name I want, and to check if it's Socrates, if the data type is string. If not, it will return false. Okay, I ended with this part of task, and the next the second one is about the next part. This cake is either vanilla or chocolate. This cake is not chocolate, therefore this cake is vanilla. Well, I have to make a function that have parameters about the flavor of cake and its status of true if it's chocolate, and of course return if it's chocolate. It has to return true, if not false, of course. Let's check. It's a function check flavor. Here in parameters I display two parameters. The first one yes, next option. Oh, I have to here something like this. This next, I don't know what to do, but it works anyway. Flavor. The first parameter is flavor. It's equal to an array with two keys. It's vanilla and chocolate. Then the second parameter is chocolate and its value is true. Well, and I check if flavor entered in function when I call it is vanilla, it return not chocolate where false. If not, well, it return is chocolate. And here I use the first parameter to understand if it is vanilla or chocolate, and I return it is chocolate or not using the second parameter. Well, let's verify. Check flavor. Okay, run. It displays true. Yes, because it's chocolate. If I type vanilla, it will display it, of course, false. Yes, it's false. Well, something like this.